In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project timeline on monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clear visual schedule you can share with your team and keep up to date as work progresses. We'll start by creating a board, which is your project's home base. From your workspace, create a new board and give it a clear action-oriented name that reflects your project, like a launch, campaign, or event. Inside the board, add your work as items. Think of items as tasks or milestones. Tasks usually have a duration, while milestones are key checkpoints. Keep item names short and specific so your timeline is easy to scan. If a task feels too big, break it into smaller, trackable items so start and end dates are realistic and meaningful. Next, add a timeline column so each item has a time range. At the top of your board, click the plus button to add a column, choose timeline, and it will appear alongside your item names. Now go down your list and set the start and end dates for each item. For longer tasks, pick the first day work begins and the final day you expect it to be done. For milestones, use the same start and end date to mark a single day checkpoint. Make sure dates line up with how your team actually works. For example, avoid placing due dates on days when no one is available and build in a buffer for reviews or handoffs if you know they're needed. Overlaps are okay. Many projects have parallel tasks. Just make sure the order of work still makes sense. With dates in place, switch to a visual timeline to see the plan at a glance. At the top of the board, click Add View, select Timeline, and your items will appear as horizontal bars stretching across the days and weeks you set. This view is where things really come to life. You can zoom in to focus on a week or zoom out for a quarterly overview. If you spot conflicts, drag a bar left or right to adjust timing. The board updates automatically. Use the search or filters to focus on a subset of items like a specific phase and check for gaps or bottlenecks. Color coding by groups helps you see phases or work streams at a glance. That's it. Create a board and add your items, add the timeline column and set dates, then switch to the timeline view to visualize the plan. Keep refining as work evolves and your timeline will stay accurate and actionable.